appointment to the PNP. Kailangan timtimbang 5 kg. Bawal na pumanit taas na timbang. Makarauton. Team edad naman, mag-apply ka 21 or 30 years old. Appointment under the waiver, age 21 to 35 years old. Height naman 5'4 or 5'2, kinakarawat na. Weight naman seeding 6 months. And factors naman, grand waiver, dapat minimum skills, training, or talent. Kasi kailangan factors waiver.